In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear WordPress cache. If you're experiencing issues with your WordPress site not displaying the most recent updates, clearing the cache is a simple step that can make a big difference. So, let's dive right into it. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and head over to the plugins section. This is where you can manage all the installed plugins on your WordPress site. From this page, you'll want to look for an option to add a new plugin. This will allow you to search for additional tools that can help enhance your website's functionality. Once you're in the Add Plugin section, use the search bar to look for WP Fastest Cache. This plugin is highly recommended for managing your WordPress cache because it's easy to use and very effective in optimizing site performance. Assuming you already have this plugin installed, simply go ahead and activate it. If you haven't installed it yet, you'll need to install and then activate it to get started. With the plugin activated, head back to your list of plugins and locate WP Fastest Cache. Clicking on this will open the settings page for the plugin. Here, you'll find a variety of options that you can configure according to your needs. For instance, you might want to enable combined CSS, minified HTML, or other options that the plugin offers. Take your time to go through these settings and select the ones that best suit your website requirements. Once you've made your choices, don't forget to click on the Submit button to ensure all your selected settings are saved. This will make the necessary changes effective on your site. The plugin comes with several customization options that allow you to tailor it to your specific needs, so it's worth exploring these to optimize the functionality for your particular site. The final steps are crucial for clearing the existing cache. Within the WP Fastest Cache settings, find the Clear Cache option. Click on it, and this will clear your WordPress site's cache. This action ensures that all previous cached files are removed, allowing the latest changes to your site to be visible to all users. You've successfully cleared the cache on your WordPress site, which should immediately improve any issues linked to outdated content display or speed. By following these steps, you'll ensure your WordPress site is running smoothly and efficiently, providing a better experience for both you and your visitors. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tricks.